Asus! You're late!
Sinadya ko talaga magpakalate para naman mag-intay ka sa akin ng very light.
Well, don't worry. Promise, hindi ako magagalit sa'yo.
Promise?
Promise. Ano? Shall we?
Wait lang.
Maru, thank you for coming.
Oo naman. Inisip ko rin kaya yung libreng fodams. Pero, pag hindi to masarap, lagot ka sa akin.
Hey, I promise you won't regret coming here. Pero bago tayo magsimula, we still need to wait for a few more minutes.
Bakit?
Basta.
May hinar ka bang magbabiolin?
Violin? No, Maru naman.
Magpa-flute?
Magpa-flute? No.
Magpa-piano, no?
No, Maru naman. Piano, laki-laki. Saan mo ilalagay yung dito?
Ano? Magician?
Maru naman. Why would I hire a magician?
Hi, Maru!
Hey, babe! Kamay. You can go now.
Okay.
Let go. Baby! How are you?
Sobrang traffic.
I know, that's normal. How's
Sino
work?
pa kayo?
No lang.
Okay lang, maaga kami natapos din.
Hi,
Maru!
Here you go.
Okay.
My baby
Hi, Maru.
is here.
Ayan.
How are you? Oops. Hey. How are
So,
you?
this one? An in-order mo food.
It's a secret. Sorry. Maru, I invited them para naman masubukan natin yung plano natin. I mean, it's okay naman with you, di ba?
Oo naman. Wala nga namang isipin kung date talaga natin to, di ba? Para naman ako ngayon.
Thanks, Maru.
You're welcome. Ito lang naman ang purpose ko sa life. Dahil kung hindi ko to gagawin, walang saysay ang life ko.
Gusto ko yung linya na yun, ha?
Maru? Galit ka ba?
No, I'm smiling. I'm so happy. Ang dami natin tonight. Star-studded, di ba?